Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Brent, and as you can see, we have a Corvette that hasn't been washed in 10 years. And a little backstory on the car: it was given to the current owner by his brother, who unfortunately has some serious medical issues currently. And the owner told us that nobody touched the car for the last 10 years, and he's been working on fixing it up and getting it running again because he plans on selling it. So we wanted to do this detail for him. And we also have a little challenge for you guys. So we want to see if we can get 1,000 likes on this video in the first 2 days. If you guys are able to do that, we're going to do a giveaway in our very next video. And we're also doing a 50,000 subscriber giveaway, so make sure you sub to the channel with your notifications on so you don't miss our future uploads. I think we have a pretty cool barn find coming up for you. I don't want to say too much, but it's a Mercedes and it hasn't been touched in quite a while. Alright guys, so it's time for the question of the video, and this week's question, I wanted to ask you guys who your favorite YouTuber is. Leave a comment down below telling us your favorite YouTuber. Personally, I've been watching a lot of Among Us videos lately because I play the game a lot, so a lot of those Among Us streamers and players, I watch them. And I also watch the Goon Squad boys a lot. As for RJ, he doesn't watch a lot of YouTube, so leave a comment below, let us know who you guys like to watch, and maybe even tell us a reason why or what your favorite video is. For the wheels, if you guys already watch our videos, you know the deal. We spray our P&S brake buster on them. And to be honest, we have yet to find a product we like to use more on wheels. So if you guys are interested in this, like we always say, definitely try it out. It's not too expensive and it's very, very good. So you guys probably don't know this, but RJ and I actually rag on each other a lot. We like to make fun of each other. So RJ, I'm taking this moment to make fun of you because guys, he forgot a microfiber wash mitt when we were going on this detail. Luckily he had a microfiber sponge in the van. But RJ, you gotta stop forgetting things, man. And if you guys have made it this far in the video, I want you to leave a comment down below that says RJ misplaced things, because I always call him that. He misplaces things all the time. It's really funny and he hates it. So moving on, it's always a good practice to tape up anything that could get affected by the compound or the polish that you're using, because a lot of compounds, once they get into cracks, they're really hard to get out if they dry. So by taping everything up, you're protecting a lot of those cracks, but you're also protecting some of the plastics or the rubbers on the outside of the car. And for this detail, we used our Rupes buffer with a yellow pad and our Meguiar's 210 polish. And if you stick around till the end, you'll see how much of a difference it really made. And after we get done polishing the car, we like to spray a sealant all over it and wipe it off. This just gives it a shine and protects it a little bit afterwards. And I can't lie, this is my second favorite smelling detailing product. The first favorite of mine is what you'll see in the next clip, which is our tire dressing. The dressing that we have actually smells like a cinnamon bubblegum. It smells really good. And finishing up on the detail, we did the windshield and the windows just to give it that real finished, clean look. And you already know, if you guys are interested in our window reach tool that we use, it's amazing. It helps us out a lot. They're down in the description below.
Alright guys, so we just finished up. The Corvette looks great. Everything came out a little bit better than we expected. For whatever reason, Corvette paint seems to always work well, especially with the Meguiar's polish that we use. So thankfully it wasn't too painstaking of a job today.
And just so you guys know, the owner gave us the go-ahead to let you know that this car, if you're in the Northeast Ohio area, is for sale. the way that you would go about that, just contact us on our Instagram. It's down in the description below if you're interested. So if you
maybe hit the follow button too if you're already.
Yeah, you might as well follow us too while you're there. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like for us. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next Friday. There's another barn find coming. Peace.